Okay, do you have a calculator with you? So since we postpone our test, no, so we might as well deal with number one. No? So we are given here an object that is dropped from rest. No? So maybe we can think of it as something that is round. No? So this is falling. So it was dropped from rest, meaning its initial velocity is 0. So V sub I is 0. And it was dropped now with a height na 50 meters. No? So this one is, we have here H equals to 50 meters. So there's a mass as well now given. So M is how much? 3 kilograms. So the mass is 3 kilograms. You have a height of 50 meters now. We want to find now how much is the PE and the KE value after 3 seconds. No? So if this one falls for 3 seconds, no? So let us find its final velocity. How much is the final velocity after t equals 3 seconds? No? So once we know the velocity of the object at that particular height, we can find its kinetic energy. No? So if you know, or if you remember, no? Kinetic energy is determined by a value which is 1/2 of mv square. No? So ang kinahanglan talangda ang iya nga velocity. No? So when we get the velocity, then we are able to find the kinetic energy. No? Ang ato niya formula for potential energy, our PE value is mgh. So if you know the height from the ground, no? So this one is always measured from the ground to the top. So mabal, ang tagani kung pila iya height from the ground, then we can also find its potential energy. No? But the question is, nahulog na nisa for 3 seconds. No? Since it falls already for 3 seconds, what's the remaining height? No? So first thing, now, if we will find the kinetic energy, we need the velocity of the object. No? So how much is the velocity of the object? No? So supposing that's the final velocity. If its initial velocity is 0, then it falls now with an acceleration due to gravity. I will use positive 9.8 because we are only interested with the magnitude. And the time is 3 seconds. No? So how much is the velocity here? No?
29.4, sir.
29.4. No? That's meter per second. No? And please calculate the kinetic energy at that speed. So that's 1/2 of mass, which is 3 kilograms. And an acceleration or a velocity of 29.4 no? meter per second. No? Then we square the whole thing. So we are going to square this. So how much is our kinetic energy at this height? No?
1296.54.
Again.
1296.54.
So that's now in joule. No? So that's the kinetic energy at that level. And then what about the height? No? So if this is 50, how much was the height that it fell? No? Pila ang height niya nga nahulog na siya. No? So if you'll solve for S, no, distance traveled, if the initial velocity is 0 times 3 seconds, no, plus or what? So may ara siya nga acceleration, no? So this is 1/2 of negative 9.8, no? Or we can use probably no positive value for that para distance lang aton kwaon. So it will fall with this length, no? But 3 there is squared. So how much is the distance, no, that it fell, no? So pila na karon ang distance dere, no?
44.1, sir.
So 44.1 meters, no? So it's very near to the ground already after 3 seconds, no? So how much is left, no? So if this is the height with which it fell, no? So ang aton remaining height, guys, now the remaining height is 50 now minus 44.1. Pila ang bilin?
5.9.
5.9 meters na lang ang bilin, no? Now with that height, no, then we can solve the PE value, no? So the potential energy now is equal to, no, mass, which is 3, no, kilograms, times G, which is 9.8, times a remaining height of 5.9, no? Amo na lang ning bilin, no? Okay, then pila ang aton nga
173.46.
173.6, no? Then that's in joule.
46, sir.
Yeah,
46, sir.
Okay, joule, no? Now, ang total, ang maximum therefore is the sum of the two, no? So, amo ning answer naton sa letter A, no? So, this is the distance traveled for 3 seconds. Amo na lang na ang bilin nga potential energy. This is the value, no? Okay, where was the... Are you still there, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nadula ang ako ng slide. Dahil lang yun, guys. Regala. So, sorry. No? So, any question from you? Now, so what's the next question? What are its maximum kinetic and potential energy? So the maximum potential energy is ang usaron nato, no? So if we are to find, no? Actually, no, the PE max, no, is the value, no, of the potential energy at the highest point. So that's basically 3 times 9.8, no, times a height of 50 meters. No? Ang maximum height nga 50 meters, kung i-multiply mo, amo nang pinakadako, yung value. No? Now, how much is this PE maximum?
1,470.
400 pila?
70, sir.
70 joules. No? Now, amo man ang iya nga KE maximum, guys. No? Pag abot yan na sa dalom, no, at the lowest level, no, amo man ang iya nga value. So, similar ng iya value. No? So, that's also 1,470 because all its potential energy will be converted into a kinetic energy. No? Ma-change ma lang na siya. No? So therefore, we expect nga, can you still see the answer there?
Ang KE, sir, hindi
Oo.
kita nun.
Ang KE, guys, similar lang din na ang ila value. No? So they will have a similar answer, no? For this one. No? So we have 3 minutes. No? Can I cut the... So what we can try to solve next is maybe number 3. No? How many joules of energy is needed, no, are used by a 1 horsepower motor? No? So if we will, so if we go to number 3, no? So we know that power is work. No? We give a notation for work with W sub K, divide by time. No? So therefore, if you will try to find energy or work, no? Since work and energy usually are equivalent, no? Work is basically equivalent to energy. Then we can also multiply power times time. No? So how many seconds are there in 1 hour? No? In 1 hour, no? The time equal to 1 hour is 3,600 no, seconds. Ang aton 1 horsepower, power which is equals to 1 HP is equals to 746 watts. So therefore, if you'll solve for the energy, no, energy, or if you'll solve for the energy, then therefore that's the product of 746, no, times 3,600 seconds. No? Can you give me the value for this, please? And this value now is in joule, no? The product. No? How many joule is that?
2,685,600.
Ilan to? 600, no?
Joe.
Joule, no? So I'm na dako siya nga value because we can also express that in kilojoule, dividing it by 1,000. No? So anyway, these are some of the units, no, that we have. No? But there's also a unit called kilowatt hour, no, to make this a little bit smaller. No? But anyway, this is it. So any question?